Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Sublog and today we are going to create smoky eye makeup. I hope you all are doing very good and staying at your home and spending very good and quality time with your family. So let's stay connected, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it and press the bell icon which is there below near the subscribe button. Let's start with the makeup. I hope you have noticed that I have already done the makeup and then started making the video. So let's start the video and let's learn how to make smoky eye look. So यहाँ पर मैं ले रही हूँ स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर and we'll start with it. I'll take a very little of it. And with the help of my blending brush, I'll blend it. So I'll start with the coral color for my eyelid edges. It is a very natural color to start with. I have covered half of my eyelid with this color. Now I will be taking golden brown color to cover my eye edges. Again, this is a Marge color palette which I have showed you in my last video also. It is having almost all the good shades which I can use for any of my makeup. So only on the front part, only on the edges, I have covered with my golden brown color. You see that? This golden brown color on the edges. Now with the blending brush, I'll just blend it out a bit. Now I am taking Oriflame waterproof kajal for my eyeliner. I'll just blend this eyeliner edge to my eye edge like this. For the next eye, we'll go like this. We'll make a wing and we'll blend it here, and from here we'll draw like this. We'll move for smoky eye look. I have very nice in color black color eye shade which I use for most of my eye makeup look. So we'll go with this, and I have taken a flat brush which is actually very thin. Slowly I'll be touching my eyeliner and I'll just give a little effect over here. We just need to touch a very little black. We don't need to take a lot of black shade. Just very little of it is enough to create a smoky eye look. And it is not fully smoky. I want to show my other eyeliner also. I don't want to make it so black and so smoky. Maybe in my other video I'll cover that look also. But it is just the edges of my eye would be smoky eye. Similarly for the other eye also. final touch. From the edges I'll start and I'll go inside my eyelid. I'll start with the crease line and then I'll touch the down part also. I like this eye more. Let me create similar look to this. I'll just go a little more inside on my eye edge to finish up this look. See? I'll take my golden brown color again to merge my eye shade. Now with the help of blending brush, I'll just give a final touch. Can you see? Now I'll finish my eye look with mascara and some kajal. So here is my favorite mascara from Oriflame. And I'll just finish my top eyelashes. Now I'll go with my kajal. Now my kajal is done. We'll go again with the black color eyeshadow underneath my eye. And I'm trying to blend my eye shade and my kajal together so that perfect smoky eye should look come. Now I'll be using my mascara for my down lashes. With the help of my blusher blush, I'll just remove the excess of eye shades and the fallouts from the eye shades. And my smoky eye look is ready. So here we have completed our smoky eye look, which was very simple and all of you can do it. Just start with your brushes and definitely you can do the wonders. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it and press the bell icon which is there below, and I'll come up with some new and very good innovative ideas for all of you, for your skin and for your makeup and for your dressing. Please share it with your friends and family. I hope to see you again in my next video soon. Till then, see ya, bye bye, love you all.